We just want 2 minutes of your time before you go and get started with Playtraffic. 2 minutes that can be all the difference in deciding whether your YouTube channel will be the rage or will fizzle out. Yes, traffic from playlists works and it's going to come to you really easy. But there's something you will always need to get right if you want real success on YouTube. It's YouTube rankings. You can supplement them with other ways of traffic, but you can't avoid them, not if you want growth. You've used our help for playlists. Why not use it for rankings too? Let us show you a software offer that will help you today. The first product in this twin offer is Tuberank Jeet. This is the world's most trusted YouTube optimization software with more than 10,000 users. With Tuberank Jeet, you'll be able to quickly and effectively find the best keywords, titles, and descriptions for your videos. It actually starts you off by helping you decide which keyword is the best to rank for and then gives you everything you need to rank for it. Tuberank Jeet has been helping video marketers since 2013, and in this third release you'll get the most powerful, most robust, and most proven video ranking tool that you've seen. But that's not the only thing we'll give you today. You'll also get Tubetracker. Tubetracker is our brand new YouTube rank monitoring app that will let you track your rankings and pit them against videos you're competing with for any YouTube keyword. Not only that, you can even select which YouTube region or language you want to track. Tracking your ranks is a vital part of ranking. You will always need to know which keywords are doing well for you and where you're rising or falling. With Tuberank Jeet and Tubetracker combo, you get it all. Perfect ranking optimization plus perfect rank tracking. Grab this opportunity to get the powerful tools at a really incredible price that you can get only on this page. If you buy now, we're going to give you Tuberank Jeet Pro, which costs $67 and is only available to people who have bought Elite at $37 earlier. Tubetracker is another $37 to buy. If you skip this offer, you will need to spend $114 to buy them later. But here and only now you can save a lot of money. Grab this powerful combination today and dominate those rankings too.